Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Ultra X Rhino here with me for a quick maintenance video, and we're gonna try to see if we can improve the action of this big boy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So, in order to take this guy down, clean it up, maintain, and see if we can improve the action, we are gonna need, I think that's a T... what is this? A T6? For this big boy, only T6? Okay, I think T8 would have been more appropriate, but it's just me. I kind of like T8 in the handle because it gives me a little bit more peace of mind. I mean, having a T8, it's more robust than a T6, and this is just like a regular flathead screwdriver. I'm just gonna use my Leatherman. Usually the one in the back is the one that is moving, not in this case. So nicely keyed in pivot, it's D-shaped, so it is the one in the back, which is fine. You just need to know which one is it, and if the scales they don't want to come out, maybe just use some hard plastic tool like this guy, and then we can just dry this pretty thick G10 scale, like right over here. Look at that. Liners, yeah, that's thick as well. Just open this guy. I noticed the detent on this big boy is kind of like on the weak side. So let me see if we can just wiggle this like that. Maybe even here. Very good, so that is done. Pretty dry. Blade is kind of heavy. Bearings are plastic caged. This pin can be there, no problem. We don't really care that much. Just it's dry, so not much to clean in this one. Just clean the bearings like so. Let's clean the tang, the tracks. And we're pretty much done, guys, so let's just do this a little bit of 10 weight nano oil in the bearing track like that, a tiny drop in the detent ball, and pretty much that's pretty much it, guys. So interesting. That is in. And that's pretty much it. You know, liners goes back. I just release the tension here. Yeah, this guy can be in like so, and has to go in also here. But it doesn't want to, so not a problem. It'll just start the other way around. So let's just start from this here. Push the lock bar down. And we should be in business, right? There's a little bit. Interesting. It doesn't want to go in the closed position from that point. Yeah, that's pretty interesting, to be honest. I wasn't expecting these tolerances like to be this tight, but looks like it is. Or the pin is bent, or let me just rotate this guy a little bit, maybe like so. There you go. Yeah, so just keep it. You need to apply quite some pressure, guys, so just so you know, it's not one of those that you need to be extremely gentle. You need to try, you know, to be gentle at the beginning, but then if things don't work, yeah, you can actually use a little bit of pressure. And in this case, yeah, worked out like a charm. Look at this. So these are done, okay. Very good. We're gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite for the pivot, like so, just to coat the thread like that, so it's just inside the thread. This is going there, and take your screwdriver, flathead, or whatever tool, and be gentle here. You don't want to mar this screw. Just apply the pressure going in. Okay, and let's just quickly spread. It's too tight, but it's centered, and we said this is the one. So there's already, I can see here, like an issue. Of course, not enough room to disengage the lock bar, but light detent, yeah, we knew that. But actually it's pretty smooth, I have to say. Guys, this is not a bad action at all. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.